Good day everyone, I am Glenn Vincent Noctopaco and today I am going to discuss about straight lines. So what is a straight line? A straight line is an endless one-dimensional figure that has no width. So when we say endless, it is an infinite. So it is a one-dimensional infinite figure. It is a combination of endless points joined on both sides of a point. And a straight line does not have curves in it. So here's an example of a straight line. So I have here a straight line AB. Particularly, it is a horizontal straight line. So I have here point A and point B, and I connect the 2 points, and it is our line AB. So as we can see, there has no width in it, and it is an infinite length line. An infinite length line. So both ends can be extended. So we now created an example of a horizontal straight line, a vertical straight line, and a slanted straight line. And if we draw an angle between these 2 points on a straight line, we will always get 180 degrees.
So, types of a straight line. So, straight line are classified based on their alignment. So, their alignment refers to the angle they formed with x-axis or y-axis. So, according to the alignment of the straight line, they are classified of their types. So first, horizontal line. Second, vertical line. And third, oblique or slanted line. So let us explore them one by one. So first, horizontal line. Drawn horizontally and are parallel to x-axis or perpendicular to the y-axis. So this is the figure of horizontal line. So horizontal line form a 0 degree or 180 degree angle with x-axis and a 90 degree or 270 angle with y-axis. Second is vertical lines. So vertical lines drawn vertically and are parallel to y-axis or perpendicular to x-axis. So vertical line, this is a figure. So form a 90 degree or 270 degree angle with x-axis and a 0 degree or 180 degree angle with y-axis. So third is the oblique or slanted line. So it is drawn as slanting position or form some angles 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, or 360 degree with a horizontal or vertical lines. So this is the figure of oblique or slanted line. Properties of a straight line. So a straight line has an infinite length, which means that there is an endless length both sides of a line. Second, has 0 areas or 0 volume. Third, has one-dimensional figure. And last, an infinite number of lines can pass through a single point. But there is only one unique line that passes through 2 points.
The only thing that overcomes hard life is hard work. By Harry Golden. By the way, I am Iris Raniskibido, and I'm going to discuss to you the equation of a straight line. So first, let me ask you a question. What is this equation of a straight line? An equation of straight line is a linear equation. The straight line in a Cartesian plane can have different representations based on known variables, constants, and angles. The slope of a straight line determines the direction of the straight line and tells how steep the line is. It is calculated as a difference in y coordinates over difference in x coordinates, which is also called as rise over run. So we have the the equation of a straight line with the different forms. First is the general equation of a straight line. General equation of a straight line can be given as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, wherein a, b, c is the constants, x and y are the variables, and the slope is negative a over b. Take note that negative a is the y coordinates, is the difference of y coordinates. That should be always a negative. Let's proceed to the slope and y-intercept form. The straight line having a slope m is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle formed by the line with positive x-axis. Y-intercept as b is given by y is equal to mx plus b. Slope point form. A straight line having slope m is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle formed by the line with the positive x-axis passing through x sub 1 and y sub 1 is given by the slope point form y minus y sub 1 is equal to m close parenthesis x minus x sub 1. 2-point form. A straight line passing 2 points x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2 is given by the 2-point form y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 close parenthesis x minus x sub 1. So the last form we have is the intercept form. A straight line having the x-intercept as a and y-intercept as b, where we can see in the figure below, a is on the x-axis, point b is on the y-axis, is given by the intercept form x over a plus y over b is equal to 1.
Equation of lines parallel to x-axis is given by y equals positive negative a, where a is the distance of the line from x-axis. For example, in this coordinate plane, we have here line that is parallel to x-axis. And as we can see, the distance from x-axis up to this line is 3 units. Therefore, the equation of this line is y equals 3. Equation of lines parallel to y-axis is given by x equals positive and negative b, where b is the distance of the line from y-axis. For example, in this coordinate plane, we have here line that is parallel to y-axis. And as we can see, the distance from y-axis up to this line is 4 units. Therefore, the equation of this line is x equals to 4.
Types of slope. The angle formed by a line with a positive x-axis is the slope of a line. Different lines forms different angles with the x-axis. A line can have slopes varying from positive, negative, 0, or even infinite slope. There are types of slopes. First is we have zero slope. If a line forms a 0 degrees angle with the x-axis, the slope of the line is 0. The slope of a line is represented by m equals tan theta. Here, tan theta equals 0 degrees, hence m equals tan 0 equals 0. Therefore, a line with a 0 slope is parallel to the x-axis. So here is the figure of the 0 slope. Next is the positive slope. If a line forms an angle that lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees with the x-axis, the slope of the line is positive. So here is the figure of the positive slope. Next, negative slope. If a line forms an angle that lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees with the x-axis, the slope of the line is negative. So here is the figure of negative slope. Lastly is infinite slope. If a line forms a 90 degrees angle with the x-axis, or the line is parallel to the y-axis, the slope of the line is not defined or infinite. As we know, the slope of a line m equals tan theta, here, theta equals 90 degrees. Slope m equals tan 90 degrees is not defined. Therefore, the line with an infinite slope is parallel to the y-axis. So, here is the figure of the infinite slope. Thank you.
The important notes for straight line. A straight line cannot pass through three non-collinear points. If two lines, L and M, coincide, they are follow the relation L equals K times M, where K is a real number. Third, acute angle between two lines having a slope m sub 1 and m sub 2, where m sub 2 is greater than m sub 1. This is the formula. Tan B equals m sub 2 minus m sub 1 all over 1 plus m sub 2 times m sub 1.